front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps on this device. First of all, go into Play Store, click on the search bar and download your new default app. In my case, it will be Opera Mini. You don't have to open it, just wait for it to download and choose Home button. Now you need to access device settings, scroll down and select Apps section over here. After that, click on Choose Default Apps, click on one of those sections, in my case Browser app, and tap on Desired app, in my case Opera. And now when I go back, as you can see, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!